And then, out of nowhere, he just suddenly showed up.
I want to see every bird in Europe, and today I'm at the Panta de Camarasa, the big artificial lake in North Spain.
It's a very special place because you have both the water and the very tall mountains. And I was going all the way with some specific birds in mind. I thought nothing can stop me. So it was risk it or forget about the birds. Of course I take risk it. And now all the way up. And then finally, what I've been searching for all day.